Hey, I'm Scott, and today we're going to talk about Ekena Millwork's line of rustic timber corbels. I love this line of product. It comes in rough timbers, it comes in smooth timbers. It's made out of Western red cedar or Douglas fir, but it is a perfect rustic product. It has natural color variations, it has some checking, there's some knots. It just gives you that natural rustic look that you desire in a product like this. This product comes out of some large timbers, so truly we have a ton of different designs available. We have dozens of standard designs available on our website, but we can make really any design that you have. From a size perspective, it comes in small little corbels, 6 inches by 4 inches wide, up to large 24-inch, beefy, chunky, beautiful corbels. So how do you install this product? It's super easy. Depending on your application, whether it's inside or outside of the building, you'll want to make sure you use the appropriate screw. You can also apply a high quality urethane glue to the top and the back, and then toe nail it or screw it into the side or into an inconspicuous spot on the face. So our corbels are part of a much bigger rustic timber line that we manufacture. We have braces, we have brackets, we have massive gable brackets and gable vents too. For more interesting and innovative products, please check out our website or give us a call anytime.